Now, for example number 4, you are going to factor. So now let's take a moment. Every single item right here could be factored somewhat. Factor them out as quickly as you could. The numerator of the first fraction, you can factor out 3x. And you have 1 minus x left in the parentheses. In the bottom, we have x plus 5, x minus 1, x plus 5, x minus 4, and then you have 3x. All right, now, anything catches your attention? What catches your attention? Huh? There are what? 3 x's, right? Then they are gone. Oh, hold on. One thing we should do first. You know what we should do first? Restrictions. Yes. All right. X cannot be what? Cannot be 0. What else?
Why not be 0?
There's no y.
Oh, yeah, no y.
X cannot be what else? -5. Because if x becomes -5 right here, it becomes 0. And we're multiplying by 0, and that's not good. One more. X cannot be?
4.
4 is fine. 1. Now, again, the idea right here is we cannot let the denominator to be 0. Numerator to be 0? Yeah, that's okay. Denominator becoming 0? Ooh, that's no bueno. Okay? So make sure you know the idea behind the restriction. Now we can do some cancellation. All right? We can do some cancellation. X, yes. Because if x be 4, just the numerator becomes 0, and it's okay. Okay? We just don't want the denominator to be 0. Oh, we will get to that in a moment, because now if you look at these two, they're not exactly the same, but they look pretty darn similar to each other, right? We'll take a look at that in a moment. What else can we cancel? X plus 5, right? So that's why I said it's going to be a cancellation fest, because you're going to cancel a lot of stuff. Now, so we have a little interesting situation right here. We have a 1 minus x and x minus 1, and you will see this very often in the future, not just for this topic, but in a lot of other topics too. So how can we handle this case? Well, 1 minus x is the same thing as writing it as negative parentheses x minus 1. So what we can do here is to factor out the negative. Now, this is very important. If you want to seek some invalidation, you can just go ahead and distribute the negative into the parentheses, and you will get exactly the same thing. Okay, that's why we put an equal sign right there. And by factoring out the negative, now you can cancel them out. So you have x minus 4. So one key technique that you should have here is to understand how you swap the numbers when it's a subtraction. You simply factor out the negative. Okay?
You just keep what do you do with the negative?
Oh, thank you. I forgot. You put a negative up front. Yes. So your final answer will be negative of x minus 4. Negative parentheses x minus 4. Okay. So let me just give you a little practice here. So if I have 4 minus x, all right, what does it become? What could it become? Negative of x minus 4. Okay, if you have y minus x, what could it become too? Negative x minus y. All right, so if you want to swap this subtraction, no problem. Factor the negative. Then you would. Oh yeah, 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5, they are totally different answers. All right, so let's take a look at number 6, okay?